Hey YouTube Wagwan, warning, whenever the rain falls and you people see the roads flooded, do not attempt to cross, do not attempt to walk across it, do not attempt to ride across it, do not attempt to drive across it. Some persons behave as if their vehicles are bigger or heavier than the rainwater. People, do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Here is why. So people, wanna see that? Remember, be warned. And for more videos like this, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, like and share. Peace.